How my champions doing? Sunday? What is it? I think it's March 28th, if I'm correct on that date. Pretty sure I ain't gonna look at it. I'm pretty sure I'm spot on. I want to go over how you need to become an expert at something, right? It's important to become an expert. It's gonna take some time, right? It's gonna take some time because, you know, it's always, you always got to get better, right? So if you want to become an expert, you got to always work on becoming better at everything you do, right? And the things you love to do. That's the best feeling. When you can become an expert at something you love to do, you're really winning, right? So focus on that, right? Focus on becoming an expert, right? And you want to also, you know, have other experts in your contacts, because everything's not going to be everything you're good at. But if you can contact somebody that's great at what they do, put them in your network, you know, it's a great move. So remember, become an expert at something, right? Even if it's just being a middleman, being somebody that knows somebody. If you're an expert at that, you know, you're a great networker, right? So you want to find something that you're great at, right? And become an expert at that, right? So I'm gonna give you a few steps on how I'm gonna give you 3 steps on how you negotiate that. Step number 1 is you try different things. Look, straight up, I wouldn't have found out what I was good at until I started trying different things. You got to start trying different things, you know. You got to start trying different things, right? And once you find what you really good at and what you love doing, it's gonna be perfect for you. You know, I'll put it in this pocket. It's gonna be perfect for you, but you gotta try different things, right? And it takes time, because certain things is not gonna work, you know. But you gotta try different things. You know, you gotta put your effort into seeing what it's like trying it, right? You know, I would have never thought I would be doing these videos, but I'm trying different things. You gotta try different things, right? If you like businesses, try a few different businesses. You don't know which one is gonna be the right one, but try something. Try a few different concepts, right? That's your first step, is try new things. The second step is be patient. You got to be patient long enough to see kind of how something will go. You know what I'm saying? So you really want to be patient and see how things will take off over time. You know, it's really important to be patient and let that time work itself in to the things you want to do. You know, you really got to let that time sink in and really think about how you want to execute off your time, right? And third, document everything. Document what you're doing, how much money you're making, how it's going, if you enjoy it. Okay? So those are the 3 steps. Try different things, be patient, and document it. Once you do that, you'll see if you're making money doing it. You'll see if you like it. You'll see how many lives you impact. So, you know, let's do that. Let's become experts, right? Let's become elite. Let's change the game on the things that we're doing, right? Time is on our side, you know? But don't waste it. Make the most of your time. Make the most of your opportunities. Make the most of everything in your life. Everybody be positive. Got some very powerful content coming to the YouTube. Very powerful merchandise coming to the website. Right? So be on the lookout for that. For sure. Stay focused.